Hey friends, welcome to my channel Techno Prerak. Today I am going to speak about new latest Oppo A83 2018 model specification and its review. So let's start with specification. Oppo A83, all the models irrespective of 2018 or previous model, all are 5.7 inch HD plus, which is 720 into 1440 resolution display. It's not full HD display, it's HD plus display, and it comes with two previous 2017 variant, plus they've added one more variant, 2018 variant. So 2 GB RAM, 3 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM. The 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage is the latest one, which has been introduced by Oppo in around February 2018. And here I have Oppo 2018 phone, which all the models are having a face recognition feature, and the CPU, it has Octa-core 2.5 GHz MT6763T processor with Android 7.1 OS, in which the outer layer is their own build of software. It's called ColorOS 3.2. It has got 3180 mAh battery. The main camera, the rear camera is 13 megapixel f2.2 aperture camera, and front camera is 8 megapixel. Again, it's f2.2 camera. It has got facial recognition, so you can unlock your phone by just staring to the phone, and the face recognition is very quick. I can show you the demo. So I have locked it, and so here it's open. See, I am locking it, and yeah, it's open. It's very quick. I have locked it. It's open. It's very quick. So facial recognition is very quick, very fast. There is no fingerprint sensor. Apart from that, the back design is not metal, it's carbonated. It has got LED flashlight. You can check this here. It has got LED flashlight. Front also it has got LED flashlight. In terms of sensor, it has got all the sensors, whatever sensor the current phone has. It has, meaning all the latest phone in mid-range like 15-20,000, all the sensors Oppo has provided. So there is no negotiation in terms of sensor. The performance, I have 4 GB RAM variant, and the performance is good. I haven't observed any lagging while doing day-to-day tasks, and the battery is also day task. I'm a moderate user, so my main task involves viewing mails, checking my mails and some of the WhatsApp, and sometimes playing videos. So in a moderate usage, it lasts for a day, and the charging is also not so bad. It's not quick charge, but it's charging quickly. So within, I think, 3 to 3.5 hours, from 0 to 100% it gets charged. So that is really very quick. Apart from that, the camera is the main attraction for the Oppo and Vivo phone, as you all know. So it has got AI, artificial intelligence modulated camera. So it will, Oppo says it's recognize your age and your skin tones, and it enhances your selfie. So for selfie, this phone is, yes, it is good. Even the back camera, I say it's not bad, but it's in this range of phone, it is not very good. It is good, but it is not very good. And in terms of pricing, the 3 GB variant is coming at around 12,000 or 11,500, and 2 GB I have not seen it so far, so I don't know about the pricing, but Oppo says the 2 GB variant is also available. So, but again, with 12,000 pricing, there are so much of competition available for Oppo, like Nokia 6S And when we speak about 4GB and 64GB variant, Nokia 6S is there, and before that Oppo, apart from Oppo, there is a Redmi Note 5 Pro. You all are, I think so, you all are aware. It starts with 15,000 rupees. So if you ask me 17,000 rupees, would you spend at this particular time where there are a lot of other competition like Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi 5, Redmi Note, apart from Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi 5 is also available around, I think, 11,000-12,000 rupees for same 4GB and 64GB. It doesn't have 8 MP camera, but it has 5 MP camera. But if your major concern is not the selfie, then the back camera is, even though 12 MP, it is, I can say, almost equivalent. Yeah, the color reproduction is far better in Oppo. As I said, Nokia 6S and Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, I think. And apart from that, Moto is also going to launch G6 series phone. So, meaning to me, I have bought this phone because I like the camera, and I got this on Amazon sale recently for my personal use, of course. But when there is so much of competition available, do you think you should go for 16,000 camera at this particular specs, where there is no full HD, there is no dual camera, it's a single camera, there is no metallic body, and there is no fingerprint sensor? So write your opinion in the comment section, and if you have any query, do write back to me. And I think for now I have covered everything, so it's time to say bye bye. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.